What is so special about this Annie? You might think, well, that's a regular Annie. It's another Annie. I think only a few of you maybe have seen one of these Annies. There is something special. See inside, there is something. It's not something that I put in. It's something that this was built that way. So, see, this is not motorized. During the past years, I have sold a few of these sets. I don't know on which sets this Annie came or was sold, so I want you to hear this. I know some of you have seen or have one of these, but it's not really common to come across one of these. What it is I used to put just on the title on eBay for sale as a noise making Annie. I copied the title from a seller from UK, and this is dated 1998. Yeah, from Tomy. Now there is a spring inside of the Annie that makes the noise. I don't know what's the reason to make it like this, or did Annie feature? Did Annie was featured in an episode where it was making a noise? I don't know. So I'm gonna open it, and so you can see inside. Let's see. This is very old. I found it in a box. Did not pay attention until I saw the gears, the noise. See that? Those gears make it turn. This half gear right here, and that part makes contact with the spring to make the noise. Well, I think it's really good, but I don't know which set this came and if it was featured in one episode. I don't know, but this is a definitely a rare or uncommon item. So I'm gonna open it right here and see what's inside. Okay, there's a plastic dome inside, and I think that makes it like amplifies the sound like a box. Interesting. Yeah, I just sold it as it is, you know, as a make noising Annie, and I sold a few of these sets. I never pay attention, but I think it might be a collector's item. Maybe it's because it's uncommon to see. You don't find it every day. It's really rare. Okay, let's put it back together. Yeah, that white dome or plastic cover amplifies the sound when you scratch the spring with the box, with the anise body. Makes it like a guitar box or something. I don't know what was the right term, but anyways, it's a good. If you guys know, if any of you know which set this belongs or when was released, or with what set, would be good to know, because it's really interesting to find some rare stuff like this. Yeah, I'll change that later. But I think it's an interesting prototype or model train that most of us would like to know about it. I have no clue, no idea where any came from. Was this released in UK only or in the US? I have no idea. What do you guys think about this? Please let me know in the comments below if you have any info about this, and to get more details so everybody might know what's this set about. That will be nice. Interesting model. Is it on inside? No, I can't see it. Right there, maybe. Let's see. Well, thanks for watching. Over and out.